Hey y'all, and I do want to also add ALCHEMON. This is an NFT project trading card game that's on the Algorand blockchain. Literally, it pays me weekly. So for purchasing NFTs, from being the NFT holder, opting into the stake flag, as they call it, it's like a flag that say, hey, send my tokens here, right? You can get paid weekly. Every Saturday, I receive hundreds of coins that can be then traded on Tiny Demand for algos or USDC and whatnot. That's passive income, y'all. So once y'all go look up ALCHEMON, I just made a video about it as well. Passive income. Algorand. So OPULOUS, literally this week, the Little Pump song, Mona Lisa, that I became an investor in, launches on Friday. So make sure y'all go tap in on that one. But research OPULOUS. I made a lot of videos on that. Follow them on Twitter. Shout out to Lee Parsons. Built for creators and investors. Essentially what this is, we are crowdfunding into non-fungible tokens or security NFTs in this scenario. And we'll be receiving royalties, okay? That means quarterly payments from our streaming of the song Mona Lisa. So if you go to OPULOUS on the Medium, you can see what I'm talking about. Big Zoo dropped the very first NFT single, NFT Bars, on December 30th. And then we got Mona Lisa dropping, which is the SNFT that I own. You can claim your royalties. Go read about these things. And another favorite platform in regards to getting paid from NFTs, non-fungible tokens, is Lofty AI. Again, this is another Algorand backed platform. It's great. So you go over here, you can invest with as little as $50. So essentially, you drop $50, you'll get potential price appreciation of your ownership of this property. We're talking real assets, okay? And then you will get paid out daily. I get paid daily off of Lofty AI. And everything, again, is subject to how much money you put in the pot. Click one of these links here, you sign up. And then you can see the cash on cash payout. That's a 7.8% APY, okay? You can invest in less than 5 minutes and you'll be officially a property owner. You can get the drone link. You can see all the data, all the information. It is amazing. Always do your own research, okay? That's the game right there. That's the game. Getting your mindset right. At the beginning, when I created this channel about a year ago, I said it on this video. I was like, you can go look it up, my first video. The goal was to make $1,000 a month in passive income. So then I said, I'm gonna start at 100. I reached 100, it took about 5-6 months. And then once I got there, my money increased and started going up through appreciation and becoming more savvy and adding more money in. And then I increased my income. I found ways to make more money so I can invest. Then what I do, I compound it monthly. Compound, okay? And then I talked to my wife, I talked to my friends and my family, and I said, I'm going for it. I got on the internet and told everybody else I'm going for it. And I did accomplish the $1,000 goal. And yes, we are heading to 3,000 as well. We working on it, all right? And I still learn. I'm still studying. I just bought a whole bunch of books. I actually rebought Money Master the Game. I got some Robert Kiyosaki books. We got some Ken books because phase 2, as I've been saying for a year, is to go into real estate and become an investor in real estate properties other than my Lofty AI, my GameStop. You know what I'm saying? That's the game right there, y'all. Make sure you tap in with me. And if you dig what I'm saying, please leave a comment, leave a fire in chat. And until the next one, y'all, see Will with the Passive Income Network. I am gone. Algorand. See the crypto, a digital face, 2021 fiat replace. Had to have it, bank account.